beautiful people, welcome to another vlog, everything fashion by Nebula. Today I am going for a shoot with some of my acquaintances in Driru campus. Today is on Tuesday. What day is it? Tuesday 16th or 17th, I'm not even sure, but yeah, let's do this.
This was my lunch. I wanted to get there on a full stomach because one can get very grumpy when hungry.
I am already here. This is Riru KU campus. Yeah, let me show you a bit of it.
So we were supposed to meet at 3. I got there on time, but everyone else was not on time. So I had to sit around and wait for them until they got here. So this is them. We were looking for the best location, the best classroom because we were doing a classroom scene. This one had issues because it's like a long empty space. There were echoes. At some point I got very thirsty and decided to go outside and find some water. I wasn't sure if it was the best because this place looks a bit deserted, but I was assured that it is good water.
Okay, so the shoot is about to begin. We are shooting in former Riru KU campus, but now it has been changed to Kenyatta University Model School. Apparently, it's now a school for small kids. Yeah, everybody else was moved to the main campus, much to my surprise because I expected it to be still a campus, but that has changed. So I am going to change into the outfits I'll be acting with. Yeah, I had been asked to bring a white top because it is a classroom scene. Yes, so let me change and then I guess we will get started on this. I hope I'm mind kuingia kwa my YouTube vlog, you guys.
We were acting out different skits. This was the first one, a debate where I was acting as the moderator.
I so meet the amazing cast. This is the people we are acting with. Yes. Our very talented actors. Yeah. Yeah, guys. We are acting as students. As you can see, we are in uniform.
Wasanii.
Sini wasanii, by
Yeah,
the
so
way.
this is our cameramani.
Ako wapi
Cameramani.
Yeah. This is my former classmate, by the way. Tulifanya fashion na yeye. Yeah, sure thing.
Teacher we. Mwalimu wako teacher we.
Oh, ni video.
Huyu.
All right, so I'm good. Good morning, class.
We did 3 skits in total. This is us checking to see if they came out well, and we were impressed by the results and we called it a day. I will tag this creator. He's a very good creator, very interesting, very funny, and a great comedian. Make sure to follow him, guys.
So the shoot is over and done with for today, and I am going home. It is around 7. I got here at around 3:30, and yeah, that was it for today. Let me go home, have something to eat, and then sleep.
This was my supper. I had missed eating grains, but I didn't want to eat them with ugali, so I decided to go for rice, greens, and well, a bit of ketchup and some juice as I watched a cartoon. These days I feel that my inner child is really crying out for some love, so I find myself watching a lot of cartoons nowadays, and I'm loving it.
Hi, so we are making pancakes today. I have been craving some pancakes and I decided to make some today for my breakfast brunch. So yeah, let's get to it.
These are my ingredients. I'm not those people who go all out when they are making pancakes. I usually just use the basics: eggs, salt, sugar, oil, of course the sufuria, and the flour, a pan of course, gas, and just the usual. So I don't go like all out. I just do it the old traditional way for my pancakes. I was not planning on making many pieces, so I just used a bit of the flour, like a cupful, to ensure I had some to eat, like right now, in some for late lunch. So I put in my salt, sugar, then mixed with the flour. After mixing thoroughly, I put in some water, mix that fast, and then put in my eggs after the mixture was well mixed. So tell me guys, how do you usually beat your eggs to ensure that you're not left with the shell, or part of the shell does not get into your food? How do you do it? This is how I beat mine. It's not usually the most successful way to do it, but I would like to know if there is a way to do it that ensures that you don't get the shell in there. After that, this is what you get. So now you have to stir your eggs and your flour gently to make sure that they form a nice continuous consistency, and ensure that they are well mixed together. This is the final result, and now my flour is ready for the pan. For my first one, I usually go in with the oil first to prepare the pan and ensure that it does not stick, or not sticking happens. This does not look very good. It's the first one, but they usually say that the first pancake never comes out as the best one. So I'm sure I'm gonna do better than this as we go on. Still on the first one. Wow, look at that. It's not looking so bad. I really like it when my pancakes has those brown patches. Just makes it look sweeter. So moving on swiftly, let me finish this up. I am almost done. Left with like 2 more to go. As you can see, there is a pile there. I can't wait to feast on this. As I cook this one, I guess this one is the second last one. Then get the last one, and then I will be done, and then I can eat because I am already starving.
I am almost done. I am on my last one. Yeah, and then I'll make some tea and have them together. As you can see, I'm already done with here. I'm already done with this one.
I like washing my sufurias immediately so that they don't stick. I really hate washing a sufuria and whatever was in there is already stuck, and now I have to like try and scratch it out. I don't like that, so I like washing them when they're still fresh and easy to wash. After eating, I went about my day's activities, and then later in the day, I had some of the remaining pancakes with some pasta and some juice. So I am also learning how to model. I usually spend a good part of my day these days learning my works. This is me. Tell me, what do you think? What do you think? Do you think I got it? I want to expand my portfolio. Apart from only being a fashion designer, I want to learn how to model as well. This dress is also available custom made for only 1500.
Come with me, guys. I'm going to make my hair. I bet you've seen how horrible it looks. Yeah, I'll just go get some wig lines, replace the old ones. I'll just go get some wig lines to replace the old ones so that I can stop looking as shaggy as I was looking before. Yeah, so let's go.
This was before. As you can see, this hair was already long overdue. I started first by unplaiting it, then gave it a wash after combing it thoroughly. Honestly, I didn't want to go and give the salonist a shock, so I decided to wash it myself because, as I said, guys, it was long overdue. This is my hair. Looking at it, I'm sure you can tell that it looks very unhealthy. I don't know if I'm the biased because I know what happened to it, but I don't know, it's just troublesome. As you can see, I'm losing a lot of it. Guys, I will tell you what happened to my hair in another vlog. It's a whole other story, and I'm sure you will want to say that. So tune in maybe in my next vlog or the next one after the one I'll post next. You will say it, and I will get to explain to you what happened to my hair. It just looks like, oh god. Anyway, all that aside, let's head to the salon.
So I am also going to get my toes done, my toenails, and I also want to buy some flops to be showering with. Yeah, among other things.
So I didn't go far. I went to a salon just around my hood. The salonist was nice and very gentle with my hair, and also very quick. I didn't spend like a lot of time waiting for her to get done. Within no time, we were done, and I was looking cute, cute. Yeah, as you can see, they are nice, beautiful lines. I like them. Just look at how young and youthful my face now looks with this new hair. Yeah, I think it was a good job. I was very much impressed. After that, I went to think twice. I was looking for a pair of jeans. The one I have, the good one, I think I've used this for a while, so I was now looking for a new pair, but I didn't quite find one. I didn't find something that was fitting or something that was good for my taste. So after that, I just did some window shopping, then left for the supermarket, because as I said, I was looking for some flops and I didn't find any here. So I decided to go and check in the supermarket. I had something specific in mind that I was looking for, which I also didn't find in the supermarket. So I just decided to make a trip to Kamukunji and look for it there at a later date.
So hi guys, these are the lines I got. They look amazing. I was just getting wig lines, and I love them. Well, I will end my vlog here and we will meet in the next one, guys. Bye. Have a great one.